Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to calculate the NHIF monthly premium amount using this table. So that is the income or the gross income for different amounts. So this table, I extracted it from the NHIF website. So let me show you. So this website here, nhif.or.ke. So then you click on employers, then scroll down. So once you scroll down, then click on NHIF rates. So these are the rates. So since it is in form of a table, you can just select and paste to Excel. So it will just go as a table. So then in sheet 2, I have that table, but I've rearranged it starting from the 0 amount up to 100,000. So this means any person earning between, or that is up to 5,999 will pay 150 shillings. Then any person earning between 6,000 to 7,999 will pay 300 shillings, and so on. Then a person earning 100,000 and above will pay 1,700 shillings. Now suppose it is any other amount, like for example 66,000, which is not in this table. So how do we get such values? So that is the aim of this video. So we go to sheet 2 and we see that. So we shall use these Excel functions, that is lookup, Vlookup and XLookup function. So you can just use this table directly, or you can change it to an Excel table. So to change it to Excel table, you press Ctrl T, or you can click on the Insert tab and then you click Table. So let us press Ctrl T. So a dialog box appears. So it asks to create the table, and then you click this here to show that your table has headers. So then click OK. So then from this is now the Excel table. So you can change the design of the table the way you like. So by selecting in the table design and so on. So then here I can remove the filter buttons. So that is this filter buttons here. So by clicking here. So now we have our Excel table. So we go to the first function, that is the lookup functions. So here in this table we have different incomes, so as shown here. So we want to know how much the person earning this amount will pay in form of NHIF. So you put equal signs, then type lookup. So once it appears, you just press tab key. Then the lookup value is the amount or the income, this one. So click on D3, then comma. So the table is this table here. So let us rename the table first. So we can call this table NHIF table. So click on table design, then call it NHIF table. Then press enter. So then we continue here. So we put equal signs, lookup, then click on this value here. So that is the lookup value, then comma. So lookup vector is the table. So you just type NHIF table. So that one, then press tab key. So it automatically gets the table. Then close brackets and enter. and that is it. So then double click here to get the rest of the values. So as shown there. So if a person is earning 57,974, he pays 1,200. If you are earning 90,113, so you pay 1,600. And if you are earning 7,000, so you pay 300 shillings. So let us quickly go to the next function. So Vlookup. So here you press equal signs Vlookup, then select lookup value, so this one here, then comma, table array again is the NHIF table, so you just type NHIF table, then press tab key, then comma, column index is the second column in the Excel table here, so that is the column from this B up to B18, B2 here up to B18. So that column, so you simply type 2 because it is the second column, then close brackets, then enter, then double click here to get the other values. So we have the values shown there, so they are the same as the ones shown in the lookup table. So the other functions that you can use is the XLookup function. So you press equal signs, type XLookup, then once it appears, press tab key, select lookup value, then comma. So here we are asked the lookup array. So lookup array is this column here. Then comma, return array. So return array is this column here, the second column, then comma, if not found, if the value is not found, then you type double quotes, that is to should return an empty value. So if there is no value, so empty value is returned, then comma. So we look for the exact match of next smaller item. So we want next smaller item. So select this one and then press tab key, then close bracket and enter. So then double click and you have other values. So thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe to my videos, and see you in my next videos, in which I will explain further where we shall not use the table. So without the use of table, so we can still get the same values.